Hey guys, so I received a special delivery from Planything and I'm just super excited and grateful that they sent this my way. And this one is a September subscription box. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. So I went ahead and took everything out of the box and just out of the packaging, and I can already tell that I'm loving the theme, which is sweater weather. So I'm loving the colors and just the theme in general. And this box is already available for purchase and it will ship out between September 24th and the 30th. But I'll go ahead and leave all of the details down in the description box below. And this one also states what's included with this box. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the first thing that I see are 6 sheets of stickers. So how pretty are these flowers? You can never go wrong with flowers, no matter what season you're on. So of course, I love these. And then we do have some hexagons. How pretty are these? I love that they're nice and they're simple. And then we have some box stickers. So as you can see, it is outlined with the theme already. So we have like sweaters and gloves and the flowers as well. So very, very pretty. And look at these. How beautiful are these? And then we do have some more boxes. And we do have this long one. I love this one. And then the last one is this one. How pretty is that? I love the quotes and just the theme of these ones. So very, very pretty. And then we also have this notepad. So you get Monday through Sunday, and you do get quite a few sheets of this one. So you can always use a notepad, so that's great. And then we do have a ruler or a bookmark. That way you can either measure out anything or just trim off your washi. So very, very helpful. And then you do get this beautiful pen as well. I love the color. It is rose gold with the blue gems in here. Very pretty. And then we do have this stamp as well. So that's great. I'm not too good with stamps, but I love that it's included in here just in case you do want to stamp the word sweater weather in there. I've seen other planner babes use the stamp and it looks so pretty. So I'm excited to try this one out. And then we do have 4 rolls of washi tape. And of course, it does have the print on here as well. So we have like the flowers, and then this one has the sweater with the hat and like the gloves and blanket. And then we have the hexagons. I think this one is so pretty. I love that it's printed on washi tape as well. And then this one has some writing. So we have like time for hot cocoa, cold outside, cuddle. So those are so pretty. And I cannot wait to use these ones in a plan with me spread. So make sure you stay tuned till the end because I will be doing a plan with me with these items. And the last thing that you receive are 4 double-sided sheets of paper. So like how beautiful is this? And then we also have that print with the sweater, the gloves, the socks, as well as the hexagons. I think these are so pretty. I'm already obsessed. And how pretty are these flowers? And then the back, we have another print as well. This one has some flowers. And then this one has like a wreath. So I love these sheets of paper. You could do some scrapbooking or add pictures or anything like that. And now let's go ahead and do a plan with me. And I believe I'm going to be doing that in my Skinny Mini. So I love everything that was included in this box. And like I said, I will leave all the details down in the description box below. So make sure you check them out. And this box will ship out between September 24th and the 30th. So I went ahead and grabbed September 7th through the 13th in my Skinny Mini. And the first thing that I do want to do is cover up this little notes section, because it is shaded and I just prefer it to be nice and blank. So there we go. And now let's go ahead and just trim off this shipping paper. And I did want to mention that she also has some advent boxes available on her site. And one is planner advent box. And then we do have the other one, which is the washi advent box. And so the planner one includes 24 boxes that you're able to then open until you reach Christmas. And that one is just filled with like stickers and washi tape and clips and stamps and pens and all of the planner goodies that you'd expect. And then the washi advent box will have like 24 bags that include just some washi tape. So the themes will be like Christmas and winter and other seasons as well. There's also some washi tape that is non-seasonal, so that's great. Make sure you check out those advent boxes because I think they're just going to be super amazing. So I went ahead and covered that up, and now we have a blank slate, and I went ahead and did the holes as well. So of course what I want to do is use the flowers and the hexagons because I just fell in love with those ones. So what I was thinking about doing, let's start by maybe using this one. And I feel like this one could be used maybe like over here. And I will be trimming it off. So, well, that's covering up Monday, so we don't want to do that. How could we place this one? Or maybe we'll be fine covering it up. Yeah, so that doesn't look too bad. We'll be okay. We know exactly what date it is. So maybe like that, but let's see. Let's try adding some of these colors. Okay, maybe these two, like a light and a blue color. I think that'll look cute. So now that we have this placed right where we want it, I do want to lift it up just a little bit and kind of tuck it right underneath. Yeah, so maybe like one right about here. Okay, so maybe right there, and then this other one, maybe like right there. Okay, so how pretty does that look? There we go. And then let's just trim this off. Maybe we could use it somewhere else. I'm not sure. But for now, let's just put it off to the side. Okay, so that looks so pretty already. And I think I do want to use like this washi tape. But how exactly did I want to do that? Let's see. Let's use maybe like this lighter one. Maybe like right over here. Because I do want to place one of those cute quotes. So I love that she included these because I'm always adding quotes. So here we go. This one, sweater weather. Oh, how pretty does this look? Okay, so right there. And let's trim this a little bit off. Where else could we add maybe some hexagons? So we have two flowers. Let's see. Maybe we could pair, well, no, I was going to say pair the hexagons with the hexagon washi, but yeah, that's not going to work. So instead, so did I maybe just want to use maybe these two to add just a little bit of blue? Okay, how pretty is that? So maybe like one over here. Did I want to do the hexagon maybe in the back? And then we'll layer that one just on top. Okay, here it is. Perfect. I'm just obsessed with hexagons, and I don't find them as often, so when I do, I am all about them. So maybe like right there, and then this one could just go right on top. Okay, so let's see. Let's trim that off as well. Okay, so that's already looking way too pretty. Maybe I'll go ahead and do the same thing on Saturday. So right there. And what is this one gonna say? Because this one says time for hot cocoa and cold outside. Okay, I think I want to put it all the way to the edge over here. And I'll trim that off in just a little bit. And how about we do it right there? And I love giving washi tape that rough look. Doesn't need to be perfect. I love how it looks just rough. So let's see. So yeah, right about there. And then how about, let's use maybe like these blue ones, since we used like the greens up there. And I think I want to bring them off to the edge. So maybe right there, and this one right over here. And then we are able to either right in here or around it as well. So let's trim this off. Okay, so that looks really pretty. And then let's see. I'm thinking maybe this needs a little something. Maybe like right here. Ooh, how pretty does that look? Yeah, I think I want to do that. But I'm thinking maybe I want to move it all the way down. So I want to place it just down here. Trying to cover all the white space if we can. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, that looks much better. I always believe that adding flowers just makes everything so much better. So that looks really pretty. I love that. Anything else? So I feel like that's gonna be it, but I do want to add some sort of bullet points. So let's see if I can find a myliner close enough. So let's see, maybe this one. Let's see, I think it's going to match well. So all I'm gonna do is just maybe add 2 bullet points. So yeah, that color is perfect. So maybe for Tuesday, and then we could do some right over here for Friday. And why not? Let's do it on Sunday as well. And I think maybe this is gonna be it, because I think that looks so pretty. I love the hexagons and the flowers as well. So let's go ahead and clean all of these up, and then we can put the pages back into the discs. All right, so here it is. I am loving everything about it. I love the flowers, the hexagons, the washi tape. Everything is so beautiful. So make sure you check out Planything. This box is now available for purchase, and it does ship out between September 24th through the 30th. And make sure you check out their Advent boxes as well. They have the planner Advent box, which includes 24 bags filled with like stickers and tapes and clips and stamps and just planner related items. And then they also have the washi Advent box, which includes 24 bags with washi, and some of them are Christmas, winter, and other seasons, as well as non-seasonal themes. So make sure you check out their website. They're amazing, and I just love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.